My name is Joshua Qualbaum, and I serve with the University Program Council as the Vice President of Coordinated Events. The University Program Council, better known as UPC, is Auburn's student-led programming board. Our mission is to enrich each student's Auburn experience by providing inclusive and engaging programs that foster community and a positive campus culture. We work to provide an electric on-campus experience through fun, free, and creative programming for students by students. UPC offers a variety of events, from the Welcome Back concert and homecoming parade to trivia nights, movies, art workshops, and cultural tradition celebrations. Each UPC event provides students with a unique way to connect with fellow students and experience life at Auburn. UPC is also the home of the First 56, a great opportunity to start your fall semester on the plains by attending campus-wide programs and events geared toward helping students meet new people, develop healthy habits, and excel in the classroom. UPC held over 70 events on campus during the 2021-2022 academic year, beginning with the First 56 Welcome Back concert at the Gouge Performing Arts Center that featured musical artists Make Sure and Saint Motel. Throughout the rest of the fall, UPC hosted events such as Fall Fest, Laser Tag, Painting on the Plains, War Eagle watch parties, video game nights, homecoming parade and pep rally on Sanford Lawn, holiday lighting, and so much more. During the spring semester, UPC brought more energy to campus through roller skating at Rolling Through the Decades, celebrating Auburn's birthday, dancing at the inaugural all-university formal, the Magnolia Ball, the annual film in Jordan-Hare Stadium featuring Spider-Man No Way Home, and the Earth Day extravaganza, just to name a few. UPC was awarded Most Entertaining Event at this year's Involvement Awards and was voted Best Student Organization in the Auburn Plainsman's Plainsman Choice.